What's up, dog? What up? Just follow me back here. So the wheels are gone. I ended up selling my rear wheels. Got some new wheels coming in, so had to get rid of these for probably some obvious reasons. So now you can actually see my coils. I'm on True Heart coilovers. So, but I also have to get rid of these. These brake calipers are gonna be too big for what I'm doing. So, gonna be trading my boy for his base model brake calipers in the rear. Gonna be keeping the fronts though. Fronts are gonna be all right. It's just the rear you gotta get rid of. So yeah, and obviously the car is in the air. That's why it looks so jacked up right now. But yeah, so can't wait to put the new wheel setup on. It's gonna look sick. This car is coming together slowly but surely. Not fast enough, but definitely don't want to rush it. If anybody's ever built cars before, you should know it's a process. So interior update. Kind of got the shifter in. It's not fully bolted in. It's bolted in from the top, but there's a bolt on the bottom of the where the trans is or whatever that meets the shifter, and you have to like put a bolt through in order for like, you know, to put the car in gear and stuff like that. So still need to do that. Still need to bleed the clutch. As you can see, clutch pedal all the way right here to the left is all the way down right now, so got to do that. And now, since I'm going to be taking the calipers off, I'm gonna have to bleed the brake system again. So yeah, fun times. But yeah, let's get a look at this real quick. So dusty. Still got to take that side off. And my boy still has not made the brackets, but I did get the downpipe on, so it's got to connect the rest of the exhaust to the Tomei. But hard part is out the way. Turbo kit is on, which is like I'm happy about, because that was really one of the hardest parts about this car. Or not even the car, just the setup that I'm running. Just because it's top mount, there's obviously not a lot of room. Cannot wait to finish this car, man. It's so close, but then again, it's like so far. Oh, you got that one on?
Are they closed today?
No, they're open.